Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add page break in Google Docs. To start, open Google Docs. Here, place the cursor somewhere on the sheet. After that, go to the Insert menu. Here, press Break and then Page Break. You can see that the page break has been created in Google Docs. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.